Hello guys! Today we are going to learn about division. Our end in mind is that at the end of this video, you will be able to use equal groups and arrays to solve division problems. We are going to start off with a story. There is a girl that named Aya, and Aya loves strawberries so much. Well, Aya has invited two friends over, Omar and Zaha. And they all started to get hungry. And of course, they all love strawberries. Now, at Aya's house, there is only three strawberries. How should they eat them? Yes, they will distribute the strawberries among themselves. So each child will get one strawberry, because we have three strawberries and three kids. So each one will get one strawberry. Now, do you know what we just did? We just did division. Division is pretty simple. Division is distributing, sharing, or splitting a total number of objects into equal groups. Now, let's go back to our story to think about the total number that we distribute. So first of all, we started with the three strawberries, and we wanted to distribute these three strawberries. We said that when we distribute, we did division. So 3 divided by how many groups or how many people, we divided them among 3 people. So each child get one strawberry. So 3 is the total number of strawberries. And this is a division sign, the division sign. And 3 is the number of the kids. The answer is the number of strawberries will each kid get. Now let's take another story. We have 15 candles and we have 3 birthday cakes. We want to distribute the candles among the 3 cakes. Now, how can we find this? We have to distribute them equally, okay? So each of the birthday cakes will have the same number of candles. So we are going to divide or split the total number of candles into the number of birthday cakes. But how we are going to do that? We are going to put the candles one by one on each cake. So one on the first cake, on the second, on the third. So now we put a 3 out of the 15. Let's continue. We put another, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. We don't have any more candles, so we stop. So we stopped here. Now let's think. How many candles will each cake get? Yes, you're right. Each cake will get 5 candles. Let's write a number sentence that describe this situation or this story. We started off by 15, the total number of candles. And we divided them, or we distribute the candles among how many cakes? Yes, 3 cakes, which are the groups. So 3 cakes, and in each cake we get 5 candles. Now, after we understood what do we mean by division, let's try to solve some division problems using equal groups. Here we have 10, and 10 is the total. We want to divide it among 2 groups. So I'm going to draw 2 groups and distribute the 10, the total. So I'm going to put one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I stop because the total have finished. Okay, we have 10 total. Now, how much each group get? Each group has 5, so the answer is 5. Now, let's try to solve 24 divided by 8. Don't forget, 24 is the total, and we are going to divide it by 8. Now, instead of drawing 8 groups, I'm going to draw 24. I'm going to draw the total, and then I'm going to circle 8 in a group. So I'm going to make now the opposite. Okay, I'm going to count 8 and put it in a group, another 8 in another group, and another 8 in another group. So now how many groups do I have? I have 3 groups. Now the answer is 3. Let's use arrays to solve these division problems. I have 21 divided by 3. Now here the total is 21. But because we are using arrays, we are not going to draw 3 groups. We are going to draw 3 rows. So as you can see, I drawed 3 rows, and now I'm going to distribute the total number, which is 21, among the rows. So I'm going to put one by one. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and I stop because the total the total is done. So now how many circles did I put in on each row? I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. Now let's use another way to draw an array. In the previous exercise, we put the 3 rows. Now we are going to put 6 in a row and then find how many rows did we get, okay? So I'm going to draw 6 first, then another 6, which make 12, and another 6, 18, and another 6, 24, and another 6, 30. Now the total have finished. We have the total is 30. Now let's count how many rows did we make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Let's look on another story. Here we have 4 fish bowls. But we don't have any fish to put inside, which means I have 0 fish. Now, to write a number sentence here, I have to think, what is the number that I am distributing? Am I distributing the fish bowls or the fish? I'm distributing the fish among the fish bowl. So how many fish do we have? We have 0 fish. We are going to divide the 0 by 4 bowls. Now, how many fish are inside each fish bowl? The fish bowl are empty. So we have 0 inside each. Now, this is a small rule that says when 0 is divided by any number, the answer is always 0. For example, another example, 0 divided by 2 is 0. 0 divided by 192 is 0. Anything when 0 is divided by any number, the answer is always 0. Now let's see these cupcakes. We have here 20 cupcakes, but we don't have any people to distribute the cupcakes to. Okay, so now let's think. I want to write a number sentence. Let me think. I have 20 cupcakes to be distributed among people, but I don't have any people. So I'm going to think, who is the total? Is it the cupcake or the people? The cupcakes are the total. So I have 20 cupcakes. I'm going to start with the total, which is 20. And I'm going to divide it among how many people? I don't have any people, so it's 0 people. Now, to find the answer, do you know how much will each will each people or individual will take? I don't know because I don't have any people. So the answer is not clear. I'm going to write it undefined. Undefined means not clear. So the answer here is not clear. So you don't have to write any number here, just undefined or not clear. A small rule, when any number is divided by 0, the answer is always undefined. For example, if 192 is divided by 0, the answer is undefined. It's not clear. Now that's all for today's video. If you have any question, please let me know. Don't forget to check your assignment on Teams. And see you later, guys. Bye!